I thought the squirrels were
This is where I have a problem, because like tonight you propose to spend money from contractual services for the code qualification. And last month, you know, and I thought you were familiar with budget law. But last month in November, you made a recommendation that the council transfer $18,000 from a position and into contractual services. It was not done correctly. There is a law that says it has to be done. Transfers of appropriation may be made within a fund when authorized by an ordinance or a resolution. There were neither. Mr. Warner made it by a motion. Also, it goes on to say that you must list the purpose, state the need, and what fund it was coming from. You transferred from one fund to another fund. You can't do that. I've submitted things to the council showing what the penalty is if you had done what the motion was. It was illegal. There's huge consequences, which leads me to believe that you don't know budget law, or you don't know how to research it or find it, and that concerns me. You put the city in grave danger.
Mr. Mayor, may I respond?
Sure.
That transaction never was done.
Of course not. I mean, you're lucky. You're very lucky, because when I read the minutes and I saw it, I panicked, because I don't want to be held responsible. And I don't think any of the council up here wants to. If there was it says here that if you expend it prior to the transfer, that we could be held responsible. And luckily, there was money there, but you didn't know how much. And where you came out of the $18,000. And you didn't even say what fund it was coming out of. There's all kinds of things wrong with the way it was done.
Mr. Mayor, may I?
Sure.
As I said earlier, that transaction never took place for those reasons which you just stated.
So you made a recommendation to the council, they acted on it, and you never intended to do it.
Because it was not necessary.
But that was later, Mr. Staven, that we hired people. I mean, I feel really bad that I was in charge of that meeting and this happened. You know, I will never try to do, you know, I'm going to look at the budget law before I, you know, do anything, let me tell you. I thought Mr. Staven was here, Mr. Carlton was here, no one told me any different.
Carlton never said anything either?
I
No,
wasn't here.
Carlton was here.
Yeah.
No, he didn't say a word, so,
Yeah.
you know, I feel really
Always
bad.
point one finger out, you got 3 or 4 pointing back at you or somewhere else.